I never realized how much humidity was affecting my home, until I started noticing the little things. I was waking up with sticky skin, frizzy hair, and a stuffy feeling